Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to highlight text in Microsoft Paint in 2026. First, open Microsoft Paint on your Windows computer. Click File, then click Open, and choose the image where you want to add highlighted text. Next, click the Text tool, which is the icon in the top toolbar. Click and drag on the image to create a text box, then type the text you want to highlight. Now choose a text color from the color palette. After that, turn on the background option for the text box, sometimes called opaque. This adds a colored background behind the text. Choose a background color that will act as the highlight color. You can use yellow, green, blue, or any color you prefer. When you are finished, click outside the text box to apply the highlighted text to the image. Finally, click File and choose Save As. Select PNG or JPEG, choose a location on your computer, and click Save. That's it. This is the easiest way to highlight text in Microsoft Paint in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.